Does Vizio TV have AirPlay? Apple AirPlay allows users to stream content from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to a compatible smart TV. Many users wonder if Vizio TVs support AirPlay and how they can use it to mirror their devices or stream media. 1. AirPlay is available on most Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio SmartCast TVs come with built-in support for Apple AirPlay. This allows users to wirelessly stream videos, music, and photos from their Apple devices to their TV without needing additional hardware. Second, compatible Vizio TV models. Most Vizio SmartCast TVs from 2018 and later support AirPlay. If you have an older model, check your TV's software settings to see if an update is available that enables AirPlay functionality. 3. How to use AirPlay on a Vizio TV. To use AirPlay, ensure your Apple device and Vizio TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the content you want to stream on your Apple device. Tap the AirPlay icon. Select your Vizio TV from the list. The content should appear on your TV screen. 4. AirPlay screen mirroring. In addition to streaming videos and music, AirPlay also supports screen mirroring. This allows users to mirror their entire iPhone, iPad, or Mac screen onto the Vizio TV. To do this, open the Control Center on your Apple device, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your Vizio TV. 5. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues. If AirPlay is not working, make sure both the Vizio TV and the Apple device are updated to the latest software version. Restart both devices and ensure they are on the same Wi-Fi network. If the issue persists, try resetting the TV's network settings. Vizio SmartCast TVs support AirPlay, making it easy for Apple users to stream content or mirror their screens wirelessly. With built-in compatibility, Vizio TVs provide a seamless AirPlay experience without needing extra devices.